Gingerbread? Where? Where is it? Gingerbread story?
Mommy, when you
And
play
then,
basketball?
what are we gonna do? Why are you crying?
Mommy,
Why?
Mommy!
Hang on, why? Why are you crying? For what? Gingerbread for what? Hmm? Hmm? Why are you crying? Tell me. I don't know. I don't know if you're cry. I don't know what to say if you're crying. What? Tell me.
Yeah.
I don't know. She's telling about gingerbread story. Then why?
Allah, somebody eat gingerbread man.
Somebody eat the gingerbread man?
Remember Miss Watt said if he went missing,
And then
then somebody ate him? So why you're crying?